Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to check the Snapchat devices. So first of all, launch the app or the website on your phone, and then tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings. Scroll down to the security section. If you enabled it, you check for any devices that might be logged in by reviewing the login verification settings, and then look for options related to your account security or offered device management features. This may vary based on the app updates. If you suspect unauthorized access, consider changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication for added layer of security. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.